Hi, so what's up guys? So today I'm going to discuss about two methods in JavaScript. One is slice and one is splice. Okay, so let's see where we can use this and how it works. So first of all I have a array of months. Okay, so here I'm going to use the slice method. So what a slice method is going to give us, itself it is saying that if we want a slice, okay, if we want a slice from an array, okay, we can use this method. Let's have a new variable, new months, and I'm going to use slice method here. So what is slice method is going to receive? So it is going to receive a start number and a end number. So start is the starting index, okay, and end is the index up to where I want the slice. So let's suppose I'm going to enter 3. So now now what we'll get will it will start from index 1. When it is going to slice the array, it is going to start from index 1. This is index 0, this is 1, and it is going up to 3, 1, 2. So 3 is not so here 3 will not be included, it will always be excluded, the last value, it will just go up to that index. So let's console this new variable, new months, and see. So see, we get March and April. So it is gonna give us a slice, okay, from an array. So yeah, this is slice method. And if we want from if I have a long array, okay, like I have more values here, and I want from the back, it should start from reverse. So what I can what we can do, say hey, it is -1, this is -2, this is -3, this is -4 index. Suppose I want to start from -4 index, okay, and my value should go up to the -1, okay, to up to August. So let's see how now what it is going to return us. So see, we get April, June and July. So it is start from -4, this -3 and -2 will get 3 values from back. Okay, so now let's discuss about the splice. So what splice method is going to do, where we can use this splice is gonna is not going to return us a shallow copy of an original array, or it is just it will mutate the original array. Okay, so where I want to mutate original array, or I want to replace some values in an array, there I can use the splice method. So see, if I am going to use splice, I am going to get nothing here, it is just going to return a blank array. Okay, so if I am going to console the months, okay, so then I'll get some value here. Okay, so means it is going to mutate our original array. Okay, so let's see how splice method definition works. So here we are going to pass our index, starting index value, and here we are going to pass the delete count. Suppose my index should start from 1, 0, 1, and I'm going to delete the two values, March and April. I'm going to delete two values. So it is just delete March and April, and we'll get January, July, August and August. Okay, so moreover what we can do is, here I have a missing value here, which is February. So if I want to push some value here, I can push February here. Okay, so here I'm not going to delete any value. If I'm not going to delete any value, I can pass here 0. Okay, so now, so see, February is going to insert it here. So this is splice. So thank you for watching the video.